Guys, Tony here from Resin Rock. We are here on Palm Coast. We are here doing a pool Lanai today. As you can see, we're here with one of our approved installers, Bright Decks. So we're going to show you the process of how to install and how it works. So stay tuned, see you shortly.
I'm Wayne from Bright Decks. I'm here to do a 900 square foot pool deck in Lanai. Tired of the mold and mildew and constant cleaning. They wanted something that was a non-slip, easy to clean. So I showed them Resin Rock and that's what we went with.
So guys, they've got some nice designs in here. As you can see, I've added a pelican inside with the black colour, so now we're going to infill all the way around. But as you can see, the guys have prepped the site correctly. Okay, that's the most important thing. Make sure the site is fully prepped. They have the mesh over the drains, any potential cracked areas or weak points. But also, as you can see, they've got the yellow spray lines everywhere. This gives them a gauge of just make sure that they are keeping up with the kits, so we give them an idea on per kits where they should be roughly reaching with that mixture. Okay, so that's very important. Like anything guys, site preparation is the key thing. So make sure you prep your site correctly, the install will go nice and smooth.
We're all finished. Resin Rock, it's UV stable. It's like carpet on your feet. It's smoother on the feet. The stones are a lot smaller. You don't get the yellowing and amber effect from the Lanai to the pool deck. So it's a much better product than the epoxy Chattahoochee.